Get that rat. Get him.
These things. We take our dough, roll it out, spread our filling on that, roll that up, and cut that up to put that in our pan. And then start cutting them. The last step before putting them into the oven is going to be smearing the top.
Our famous sticky buns.
Oh man, you only want to try a little bit. But it's free, so to speak. You have to have a little bit of corn. Order a drink. Then you have